A sit-on-top kayak offers an affordable kayaking experience for kayakers of any age or level and are perfect as family kayaks or for kayakers looking to challenge their abilities to build up their skills and wade into wilder conditions here at Unveiling. We want to make it easy for you, so we've created this list of the best sit-on-top kayaks to help you choose the right one. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 sit-on-top kayaks in the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Perception High Life 11. The Perception High Life is part sit-on-top kayak and part stand-up paddleboard. With this kayak, you get the best of both worlds, and it provides fun for riders of all ages and levels. Its versatility is reflected in the higher price. Designed to be part kayak and part stand-up paddleboard, the Perception High Life is an awesome experience for anybody who loves SUP and kayaking. The High Life can be used while sitting and is exceptionally comfortable and stable while in kayak mode. It can also be used while standing up and becomes a lot more maneuverable but loses some stability. The High Life is very durable and comfortable and comes with a built-in cooler. The foam deck padding provides a significant level of comfort and support for paddling, while the upright seat allows you to feel supported while kayaking. The kayak also makes an impression with other kayakers and comes in a flurry of different color options. Number 2. BKCFK 184-9 Single Sit-on-Top Fishing Kayak. The Brooklyn Kayak Company never disappoints with the equipment it puts out. This tandem kayak is the proof. Its sit-on-top design combined with the possibility of choosing between paddling or pedaling makes it an attractive find. The 12-inch length goes well with the unpredictable ocean and sea, while the 34-inch beam helps you stay put when the wind makes the waves go crazy. Even if you find yourself standing up in the middle of the ride, the likelihood of you falling over is low. The 440-pound capacity means there is enough strength in this boat to hold 2 people and not budge. In case you decide to go fishing, the flush mount mechanism allows you to angle the rods for a better catch, which is always a nice bonus to have. No need to worry about the water splashes remaining in the boat, the 8 scupper holes will quickly take care of the drainage. Number 3. Perception Zip 9.5. The Perception Zip is the perfect sit-on-top kayak for playful adventures exploring lakes and calm coastal bays. It's a great kayak for the whole family as it is suited for kayakers of any level. Offering superior stability to other sit-on-top kayak designs, the Perception Zip provides an ideal recreational kayak for a range of ages and experience levels. The kayak is designed to be lightweight as well as extremely easy to maneuver in the water. This kayak features easy access storage areas and a spacious seating area where you can install a padded seat for maximum comfort while kayaking. The high level of stability offered by the Perception Zip increases the overall safety of this kayak. Overall, the Perception Zip is a lightweight and easy to maneuver kayak for kayakers of any ability. Good quality for an affordable price. Stable in most conditions. It is super lightweight, making the kayak suitable for travel. Number 4. Lifetime Triton Angler 100 Fishing Kayak. The Perception Zip is the perfect sit-on-top kayak for playful adventures exploring lakes and calm coastal bays. It's a great kayak for the whole family as it is suited for kayakers of any level. This kayak features easy access storage areas and a spacious seating area where you can install a padded seat for maximum comfort while kayaking. The high level of stability offered by the Perception Zip increases the overall safety of this kayak. Overall, the Perception Zip is a lightweight and easy to maneuver kayak for kayakers of any ability. Good quality for an affordable price. This recreational sit-on-top kayak is super lightweight and is ideal for travelers. It has a uniquely dynamic shape that makes it fast and maneuverable. Finally, the Lifetime Triton Angler 100 Fishing Kayak is a fantastic recreational sit-on-top kayak that is extremely portable and is best suited for lighter, smaller kayakers and travelers. Number 5. Pelican Sentinel 100X Sit-on-Top Kayak. For an enjoyable ride in a relaxing environment, look no further than the Pelican Sentinel Fishing Kayak. Designed for both calm and slow bodies of water, it provides excellent stability and tracking that allows long-distance paddling. The multi-chine flat bottom that keeps the kayak stable at all times is the one to thank for that. The under 10 feet length along with the 44 pounds of weight means you won't have any issues transporting and storing the kayak without the help of others. This is particularly important for those who prefer fishing in solitude. With molded carrying handles, accessory eyelets, paddle holders, and rod tie downs, You're guaranteed to have all you need for a productive day out in the open water. Things we like. Comes with EXO pack, Pelican's removable storage compartment. The low weight makes it easy to transport the vessel. Things we don't like. The company's customer service isn't great. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.